Hi, this is Derek with Magnuson Superchargers here at SEMA. This is our brand new for 2019. It's a 1900 Magnuson Supercharger kit for the 3rd gen Tacoma. We're super excited to be bringing this product to market. Cool thing about this Supercharger is a 1900 versus our smaller Supercharger kit in the previous 4-liter Tacomas. We're hoping for about 30% more power. It's going to be great for rock crawling, overlanding, towing. It's really going to open up the possibilities for this truck for everyone out there. So new for 2020, we also have this kit for the Jeep JL JT. It is a sister kit to our 3rd gen Tacoma kit. It's a TVS 1900 as well. We're hoping to have about 400 crank horsepower and 400 crank torque. So it's really gonna wake up the Jeep for crawling, whether you're towing. It also utilizes the air-to-water intercooler system, the same as the 3rd gen Tacoma. So we're gonna make sure that you're running nice and cool out there in the desert, in the mountains. It's gonna be a great addition to your vehicle.